I'm searching something, but I'm trying to express this something with the taste. But I have the feeling inside me. I'm trying to turn to reach it. If at the end, when I taste it, it's matching my feeling. And the tea will be finished.
Where are you, Olivier?
I'm here. It's like a cucumber salad with a little like strawberry juice on the top. Oh no. You remember what I just did?
He's really totally committed and immersed into that world.
Interesting. Tasteless, but it's good.
Interesting, a bit tasteless.
No, nothing.
It seems to be wasted on me.